Hi friends, this is Suma from softwaretestingmaterial.com. Today we are going to see 12 principles of Agile software development. Agile testing is a software testing practice that follows the principles of Agile software development. It is an iterative software development methodology where requirements keep changing as per the customer needs. Testing is done in parallel to the development of an iterative model. Test team receives frequent code changes from the development team for testing an application. Let's see 12 principles of Agile software development in detail. First principle. Highest priority is to satisfy the customer through early and continuous delivery of business value software. In Agile, customer satisfaction is obtained through early delivery of software to client for feedback and through continuous delivery to let client know the progress of the software. Second principle. Welcome changing requirements even late in development. This places emphasis on responsiveness to change as opposed to tight alignment to approved plans. The change control process is simplified and no formal documentation and approval required. This is harness change for the customer's competitive advantage because it allows fast response to latest changes in external environment to enhance competitive advantage to emerging opportunities. Third principle. Deliver working software frequently. This provides immediate values to the customers by delivering working features. Each iteration or sprint should lead to a release of a product. The teams make sure that each feature is fully developed, tested, and accepted by the product owner before counting it as delivered. Fourth principle. Business people and developers must work together daily without transparency throughout the project. Working close with business people on daily basis without transparency makes close collaboration to get clarifications just in time. Change in requirement is acceptable and it happens usually in agile development. Fifth principle. Build projects around motivated individuals. Build projects around motivated individuals give them the environment and support they need and trust them to get the job done. Sixth principle. The best form of communication is to do face-to-face conversation. The most efficient and effective method of conveying information is face-to-face conversation. Seventh principle. Working software is the primary measure of progress. Measuring progress by using the working software. Eighth principle. Able to maintain a constant pace. Agile methodologies promote sustainable development. The sponsors, developers, and users are able to maintain a constant pace indefinitely. Ninth principle. Continuous attention to technical excellence. Retrospective meetings should happen at regular intervals. Continuous attention within the team reflects on how to become more effective and efficient. 10th principle. Simplicity. The art of maximizing the amount of work not done is essential. Simplicity is essential in agile process. Focus should be only on the essential things, less or no documentation. 11th principle. Self-organizing teams. The best architectures and designs emerges from self-organizing teams. 12th principle. At regular intervals, the team reflects on how to become more effective, then tunes and adjusts its behavior accordingly. Thanks friends. If you have any queries, please comment below. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to like the video. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Have a good day.